December and January. On 1st of December, Himalaya International School conducted SOF National Science Olympiad for classes 3rd to 10th. From 3rd to 9th of December, Pre-Board 1 examinations were conducted for classes 10th and 11th, and UT2 examinations for classes 1st to 9th and 11th. On 13th of December, SOF International Mathematics Olympiad was conducted for classes 3rd to 10th. On 23rd of December, Himalaya International School celebrated annual function the HIM Utsav 2022. On 8th of January, UT2 parent-teacher meeting for classes 1st to 12th was held. From 9th to 27th of January, practical examinations were conducted for grade 12th. On the occasion of National Youth Day, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, an inter-house English debate competition for classes 6 to 8 was held on 12th January at Himalaya International School. On 14th of January, to celebrate the festival of Makar Sankranti, a kite making and decoration activity was organized for the students of class nursery to grade 2 of main campus and kids school. On 25th of January, Himalaya International School celebrated Pre-Republic Day for the students of nursery to grade 2. On 26th of January, Himalaya International School celebrated 74th Republic Day along with Basant Panchami. From 25th of January to 9th of February. Pre-Board 2 examinations are being conducted for classes 10th and 12th.
Hello everyone, I am Tithi Khabia and I am here with the news in detail for the month of December. On 1st December, Himalaya International School conducted SOF National Science Olympiad for classes 3rd to 10th. From 3rd to 9th of December, Pre-Board 1 examinations were conducted for classes 10th and 12th and UT2 examinations for classes 1st to 9th and 11th. On 13th of December, SOF International Mathematics Olympiad was conducted for classes 3rd to 10th. On 23rd of December, Himalaya International School celebrated annual function the HIM Utsav 2022. Annual day forms an integral part of school activities. It was an occasion of celebration, felicitation, feast and festivity, where students presented not only their wonderful performances but also received honors for their curricular and co-curricular achievements. Mr. Rajneesh Kumar Sir, Divisional General Manager Ratlam, graced the occasion as the chief guest, and Mr. Abhishek Tiwari Sir, Superintendent of Police Ratlam, graced the occasion as the guest of honor. The function was presided over by Honorable Directors of Himalaya International School, Sunil Dora Sir, Hani Dora Ma'am, Aditya Dora Sir, along with School Academic Director H.S. Khalsa Sir, HIS Principal Sonal Bhatt Ma'am, and Kids School Principal Winnie Haq Ma'am. The program commenced with the welcoming of the guests, followed by the lighting of the ceremonial lamp to seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. Thereafter, Principal Sonal Bhatt Ma'am shared the school achievements through the annual report. Academic Director H.S. Khalsa Sir unveiled the future plans of the school. This time, our school conceived the concept of World Tour with global outlook and outreach, starting from our school campus to different countries, learning their art, culture and music, and presenting the programs with the trademark of Himalaya. A series of cultural programs from Korea to Turkey, Argentina to Arabia, Japan to Hawaii enriched the ever since from low beat dance to feet tapping dances. The theme told the world was immaculately woven into a kaleidoscopic tapestry with the threads of diligence, determination of students and teachers' culmination into a grand spectacle, an event where we witnessed our children's phenomenal achievements and many brilliant performances. Students who have set very high bars in their excellent performances in academics were awarded by Rishabh Pupaya Memorial Award. Class 1st, Master Ojas Sangvi. Class 2nd, Miss Kalerina Keswani. Class 3rd, Miss Vedanshi Anjana. Class 4th, Master Tanishk Murai. Class 5th, Miss Khushi Totla. Class 6th, Miss Harshika Madhan Kumar. Class 7th, Master Jainil Bordla. Class 8th, Miss Bhavya Paliwal. Class 9th, Master Rohan Manikandan. Class 10th, Miss Suhani Jain. Class 11th, Miss Tanisha Patidar. Miss Rani Dhakar and Master Krishna Patidar. Class 12th, Miss Pavani Kumrawat, Master Savarya Baheti and Miss Nikita Dhakkar. Student of the Year Award was given in 3 categories. Miss Chaitanya Yadav of Class 5th, Miss Mehak Paliwal of Class 7th and Miss Tanisha Patidar of Class 12th were felicitated as Student of the Year. Miss Arva Kagdi was felicitated with a special award for being selected in IIT JEE. In the field of sports also many champions were awarded at the grand platform of annual gala stage. Miss Ruhi Soni of class 4th was awarded for exceptional skating skills, Master Vedic Tak of class 6 for shooting skills, Master Gaurav Damor of class 7 for exceptional skills in playing tennis, and Master Shivam Mirawat of class 11th was awarded as an all-round performer in various sports having skills to play all sports. Last but not the least, the Best House of Year award was backed by Tiger's House and runners-up position by Lion House. There is no shortage of talent in Himalaya International School, and we are proud to have many talented kids. The school band named Himalayan Synth Manifestos prepared a school song which was launched during annual gala. The music composers Master Devansh Vyas, Master Prince Gandhi and Master Vatsal Vyas, lead singer Ms. Kanak Raval and two young lyricists Ms. Latisha Ajmeria and Ms. Yashita Rajpurohit. The effort of these young talent was acknowledged by certificates and cash prizes by school management. The chief guest complimented the efforts of the staff and students for putting up such a stupendous show. The program concluded with a grand finale. After the grand finale, a special video was screened which showcased behind the curtain activities and practice sessions. Everyone enjoyed the evening and left with beautiful memories to cherish.
Hello everyone, this is Chaitanya Yadav for the news in details for the month of January. This is evident that no school can work well for children if parents and teachers do not act in partnership on behalf of children's best interest. So to declare periodic assessment and pre-board 1 results on 8th of January, parents-teachers meet was organized for classes 1st to 12th. On the occasion of National Youth Day, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekanand, an inter-house English debate competition for classes 6 to 8 was held on 12 January at Himalaya International School premises. The topic for this competition was, is social media beneficial to the individual or society? There were 2 participants from each of the 4 houses, where one speaking for the motion and another speaking against the motion. On 14th of January, to celebrate the festival of Makara Sankranti, a kite making and decoration activity was organized for the students of class nursery to grade 2 at Himalaya International School campus, in which students of main campus and kids school participated. Students showcased their activity that left the onlooker awestruck and astounded. Our principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt ma'am participated in the activity and blessed and greeted everyone on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti. A warm breezy morning made the experience even more enjoyable. On the auspicious occasion of our motherland's India 74th Republic Day celebration on 25th of January, Himalaya International School celebrated Pre-Republic Day for the students of nursery to grade 2. The patriotic songs and dances represented by the students awakened everyone's feelings towards our motherland. Our director, Hani Dora ma'am, appreciated the program and congratulated everyone on the occasion of Pre-Republic Day celebration. Our principal, Sonal Bhatt ma'am, in her speech encouraged the students to be responsible citizens as they are the future of India. On 26th of January, Himalaya International School celebrated the significant event of 74th Republic Day along with Vasant Panchami to worship Goddess Saraswati, the deity of knowledge and performing arts. The celebration started with unfurling the tricolour in the presence of our esteemed director, Mr. Sunil Dora sir, Mrs. Hani Dora ma'am, our principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt ma'am, along with the headmistress Mrs. Nagma ma'am, followed by the national anthem and ceremonial march past that left everyone present brimming with a sense of joy and pride. To commemorate this noteworthy occasion, a cultural program was presented by the students with great enthusiasm and zeal, which consisted orchestra presentation, speeches and patriotic dance drama on Jallianwala Bagh massacre that blew everyone's mind. Our principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt ma'am addressed the students to make them understand the Constitution's significance and how it promotes equality. From 9th to 27th January, practical examination was conducted for grade 12. From 25th of January to 9th of February, pre-board 2 examinations are being conducted for classes 10th and 12th.
Hello everyone, I am Avran Kothari with the sports news. When you have got something to prove, there is nothing greater than a challenge. Master Vedic Tak of grade 6 won the bronze medal at state level shooting competition held at Indore, organized by School Games Federation of India. On 15th of December, Himalaya International School organized an inter-house basketball competition for boys and girls of grade 9th to 12th. It was a closely fought competition wherein each group put in their best foot forward. In boys category, winner's position is bagged by Jaguar House and Lion House bagged runner-up position. In girls category, winner's position is bagged by Panthers House and Lion House bagged runner-up position. Champions of Himalaya International School brought laurels in the following sports while participating in Ratlam Khel Chetna Mela 2023. Anshul Sharma was awarded as Best Volleyball Player. Daksh Patidar participated in swimming competition and won 3 gold medals. Shivam Mehrawat was awarded as Best Kabaddi Player. Juniors Kabaddi team of Himalaya International School bagged the runners-up position.
1 दिसंबर को हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने तीसरी से 10वीं कक्षा के लिए SFO नेशनल साइंस ओलंपियाड का आयोजन किया। 3 से 9 दिसंबर तक कक्षा 10वीं और 12वीं की UT2 परीक्षा हुई। 1 से 9वीं और 11वीं की प्री बोर्ड 1 परीक्षा हुई। 13 दिसंबर को तीसरी से 10वीं कक्षा के लिए SFO इंटरनेशनल मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड का आयोजन किया गया। 23 दिसंबर को शहर के प्रख्यात स्कूल हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में हर्षोल्लास से वार्षिक उत्सव मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में शहर के मंडल रेल प्रबंधक माननीय श्री रजनीश कुमार जी तथा विशिष्ट अतिथि के रूप में शहर के पुलिस अधीक्षक माननीय श्री अभिषेक तिवारी जी पधारे। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ ऑर्केस्ट्रा प्रस्तुति के साथ हुआ। छात्र छात्राओं ने विभिन्न वाद्य यंत्रों पर अपनी प्रवीणता का परिचय देते हुए मनमोहक प्रस्तुति दी। तत्पश्चात उपस्थित गणमान्य व्यक्तियों के द्वारा दीप प्रज्वलित करके विद्या की देवी माँ सरस्वती का आह्वान किया गया तथा बच्चों के द्वारा सरस्वती वंदना प्रस्तुत की गई। विद्यालय के मुख्य निदेशक श्री सुनील डोरा जी तथा उप निदेशक श्री आदित्य डोरा जी के द्वारा पुष्प गुच्छ देकर गणमान्य अतिथियों का स्वागत किया गया। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए एक से एक शानदार प्रस्तुतियां दी गई। वार्षिक उत्सव थीम टू द वर्ल्ड के आधार पर वैश्विक स्तर के नृत्य प्रस्तुत किए गए, जिनमें जापानी डांस, स्पेनिश डांस, अरेबियन डांस, श्रीलंका डांस, चीनी डांस इत्यादि प्रस्तुत किए गए। छात्र छात्राओं के नृत्य ने ऐसा सम्मान बांधा कि दर्शक मंत्रमुग्ध होकर बच्चों की प्रतिभा का आनंद उठा रहे थे। उनका मानना था कि पूरे रतलाम शहर में आज तक इस प्रकार का वार्षिक उत्सव कहीं भी संपन्न नहीं हुआ जिसमें सारे विश्व के नृत्य प्रस्तुतियां एक साथ दिखाई गई हो। इसके साथ ही प्रतिभाशाली छात्र छात्राओं को मुख्य अतिथियों के कर कमले द्वारा अवार्ड भी दिलाए गए। विद्यालय के शिक्षा निदेशक श्री HS खालसा सर ने छात्रों के उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करते हुए अपने विचार प्रस्तुत किए। विद्यालय की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती सोनल भट्ट मैम तथा हिमालय किड्स की प्रधानाचार्य श्रीमती विनी हक मैम ने अपने विद्यालय के संपूर्ण सत्र की जानकारी दी तथा बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास में उनके माता पिता की भूमिका को सराहा। अंत में उत्सव का ग्रैंड फिनाले प्रस्तुत किया गया, जिसने सारे स्टेज पर धूम मचा दी। बच्चों के साथ उनके माता पिता भी गानों की धुनों पर झूमते नजर आए। आर्थिक मूल्यांकन और प्री बोर्ड 1 के परिणाम घोषित करने के लिए पहली से 12वीं कक्षा के लिए 8 जनवरी को अभिभावक शिक्षक बैठक का आयोजन किया गया। राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस के अवसर पर स्वामी विवेकानंद की जयंती मनाने के लिए कक्षा 6 से 8 तक के लिए एक इंटर हाउस अंग्रेजी वाद विवाद प्रतियोगिता 12वीं जनवरी को हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल परिसर में आयोजित की गई। इस प्रतियोगिता का विषय था, क्या सोशल मीडिया व्यक्ति या समाज के लिए फायदेमंद है। प्रतिभागियों ने अपने अपने पक्ष में मत रखते हुए अपने विचार व्यक्त किए। 14 जनवरी को मकर संक्रांति का त्यौहार मनाने के लिए हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल परिसर में कक्षा नर्सरी से कक्षा दूसरी तक के छात्रों के लिए पतंग बनाने और सजावट की गतिविधि आयोजित की गई, जिसमें हिमालय मेन स्कूल और किड्स स्कूल के बच्चों ने भाग लिया। छात्रों ने अपनी रचनात्मकता का प्रदर्शन किया, जिसने देखने वालों को अचंभित कर दिया। हमारी प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती सोनल भट्ट मैम ने गतिविधि में भाग लिया और मकर संक्रांति के शुभ अवसर पर सभी को आशीर्वाद और शुभकामनाएं दी। हमारी मातृभूमि भारत के 74वें गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह के शुभ अवसर पर 25 जनवरी को हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने नर्सरी से ग्रेड 2 तक के छात्रों के लिए पूर्व गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया गया। छात्र छात्राओं द्वारा प्रस्तुत देशभक्ति गीतों व नृत्यों ने सभी के मन में मातृभूमि के प्रति भावना जागृत कर दी। हमारे निदेशक हनी डोरा मैम ने कार्यक्रम की सराहना की और गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह की पूर्व संध्या पर सभी को बधाई दी। हमारे प्रिंसिपल सोनल भट्ट मैम ने अपने भाषण में छात्रों को जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया, क्योंकि वे भारत का भविष्य है। 26 जनवरी को हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने 74वां गणतंत्र दिवस एवं बसंत पंचमी का पर्व धूमधाम से मनाया। उत्सव की शुरुआत हमारे सम्मानित निदेशक श्री सुनील डोरा सर, श्रीमती हनी डोरा मैम, हमारी प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती सोनल भट्ट मैम के साथ एचएम श्रीमती नगमा मैम की उपस्थिति में तिरंगा फहराने के साथ हुई। इसके बाद राष्ट्रगान और उजावन मार्च पास्ट हुआ, जिसमें सभी उपस्थित लोगों को खुशी और गर्व की भावना से भर दिया। इस उल्लेखनीय अवसर को मनाने के लिए छात्रों द्वारा बड़े उमंग और उत्साह के साथ एक सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत किया गया, जिसमें ऑर्केस्ट्रा प्रस्तुति, भाषण और जलियांवाला बाग नरसंहार पर देशभक्ति नृत्य नाटक शामिल था, जिसने सभी का भावविभोर कर दिया। हमारी प्रिंसिपल श्रीमती सोनल भट्ट मैम ने छात्रों को संविधान के महत्व को समझने और यह कैसे समानता को बढ़ावा देता है, यह बताते हुए छात्रों को संबोधित किया। कक्षा 10वीं एवं 12वीं की सीबीएसई बोर्ड परीक्षाएं जल्द ही प्रारंभ होने वाली हैं। इसी कड़ी में विद्यालय में 9 से 27 जनवरी तक 12वीं कक्षा के लिए प्रायोगिक परीक्षा आयोजित की गई तथा 25 जनवरी से 9 फरवरी तक कक्षा 10वीं और 12वीं की प्री बोर्ड 2 परीक्षा आयोजित की जा रही है।
I'm Diti. I'm Chaitanya.
I'm Avran.
I'm Ikra, and we are signing off now. Thank you.